How to fix netshare.exe application error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Repairing or resetting the Quick Share app can address issues related to corrupted files or misconfigured settings, which may help resolve the netshare.exe application error. An outdated version of Quick Share may lead to conflicts with system processes. Updating it can help ensure compatibility with Windows. Running SFC and DISM scans together can help repair corrupted or missing system files and restore the system image, which can be beneficial in fixing application errors. If that didn't work, background programs that launch at startup can interfere with system processes. Disabling them can help reduce conflicts. Corrupt or missing DLL files can contribute to the netshare.exe application error. Re-registering these files may help restore functionality. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work,